Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers, and if you're new here, welcome also guys. Today we're gonna make a jerk chicken, but I'm not gonna cut them up. I'm gonna just do the whole jerk chicken, but I'm gonna butterfly it, guys. So as you can see, I have a whole chicken here. I'm gonna get my gloves and I'm gonna start cutting. So okay guys, I'm gonna cut it in the back. I buy the scissors from Amazon so you can cut chicken. Hey! But I don't see it. No. But I use my knife. Okay guys, so I'm gonna clean up inside. Make sure I don't have any of this things inside. So let's clean out a little bit of ice. I'm gonna cut off all these fats. So now guys, I'm gonna wash it with some salt. On here. Maddie, can you throw some? So okay guys, I finished washing my chicken and dry it. I dried it very well. I'm gonna put on my dry seasoning. I'm gonna mix up my dry seasoning, so I'm just showing you. I finished drying it. So this is the my jerk sauce. I make this one for myself. I don't really buy jerk sauce. So now I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients in one plate, and I'll be right back. So okay guys, so this is all my seasoning I have here. As you can see, my all-purpose seasoned rice, Mrs. Dash seasoned salt, seasoned to the bone, some jerk seasoned garlic plus, and some black pepper. So I'm gonna mix all these together, and some paprika, smoked paprika. I'm gonna mix everything together. So when I'm doing my rub, I have everything in it. So guys, I'm gonna season. I'm just doing the dry one first. I'm gonna put it down for about 2 hours. Let it soak in before I put it in the oven. massaging. You have everything under seasoning, guys. So guys, I'm gonna put it in the pan. I'm gonna and leave it for about 2 hours. I'm gonna leave it here for like 2 hours that it's soaked, that is the dry seasoning soaking in. And after, I'm gonna put some wet seasoning and put it in the oven. So stay tuned, guys, and keep watching. I'll see you in a bit. Alright, so I'm gonna put my chicken in the oven now. My jerk butterfly chicken. I'm gonna put it in the oven for at least an hour, but I'm gonna look at it in between. Half of the hour I'm gonna look at it. In 30 minutes I'll come back and look at it. So okay guys, I'm taking out my chicken. I'm gonna put on some sauce. I'm putting on some fresh olive oil inside. Some more olive oil. My fresh jerk sauce. I make my own jerk sauce myself. I don't have to buy, so I could control the pepper. So if you need a recipe for my jerk sauce, you can comment in the comment section and tell me you need a recipe. Okay guys, I'm gonna put it back in there for another half an hour. So stay tuned and keep watching. This is my butterfly jerk chicken. It's looking good. Just putting some more juice over it, so it can be moist and nice. Smell very nice. So I'm gonna put it back for maybe 5 minutes, and I'm gonna take it out and show you the finished product. So stay tuned guys and keep watching. Okay guys, I'm putting it back for 5 minutes. I just run the juice all over it. So I'm gonna put it for 5 minutes and I'll be right back. So guys, this is the finished product of my butterfly jerk chicken. Guys, this is so soft. It's falling off the bone. So guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching from guys, so I can give you a shout out in our next video. Thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video. Please try this recipe. It's very easy and nice guys. Very delicious. It's only an hour in the oven guys.